Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm very excited because I have here with me my Ipsy bags for the month of May. This is May 1st and I already received my PR box from Ipsy and I'm so excited to share with you guys this unboxing. I literally just got it in the mail and I was like, I have to film this for you guys and upload it as soon as possible. So here we are and let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box they sent me. Inside is the Ipsy Glam bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For you guys that don't know what Ipsy is a beauty subscription that they have a different membership. They have the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products. And the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is 5 full-size beauty products, and the products are sent based on your beauty quiz, which you select there your skin tone, your hair type, your skin type, if you prefer more makeup, skincare, hair care, nail care, etc. So that's basically what the glam bags are, like what the products include. So let's see what they sent me for this month. I'm so excited because I can't believe we're at May already. It's almost a Mother's Day, which brings me to another quick subject that I'm going to be having a YouTube giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that because it's a really big one and I wanted to give you guys a bunch of products I have here for you. So let's see what the month of May brings for Ipsy. So here's the bag. As you can see, everything is dispersed like all around this, so I don't know which items belong to the Ipsy Glam bag or the Glam Bag Plus, and I don't have like a price for all of these items. So what you see is what I see. I don't know like anything else besides the product that is here. So this is the theme. Oh my god, it's such a pretty theme for this month, since this month is all about moms, and the theme is Flower Power, and it says, the brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin know-how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love the theme because I do love flowers and that theme is just amazing. I love it. Okay, so let's start by showing you guys the bags for this month. And oh my god, it's pink and floral, full of flowers. It is just a stunning theme. I really like this theme. And inside is pink as well. There's some products here, so I will show you guys in a bit. And then the Glam Bag Plus is this really cute sack string bag, and it's the same style, like the same theme. This bag is more like cotton, and while this bag is more like leathery texture. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start by unboxing what's inside my Ipsy Glam bag and show you guys. So let's see, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I have here, it's from the brand Olaplex, and this is a brand for hair care, I believe. And I really like that they're including like a variety of things with these bags. So that's pretty cool. And I know that Olaplex is a really good brand for hair care, so that's really nice. And it says the Olaplex Hair Perfector #3 repairs and strengthens all hair types. So this is, I'm not sure, let's see. I'm not sure how you use this. I'm gonna read it in a bit on the back, but so you guys see the actual packaging, and it says directions how to use. Oh, use before shampooing, not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. Okay, so I guess it's like a in between shampoo and conditioner. After you put your shampoo, you rinse it out, then you use this. So that's nice to know, you know. And then there's a couple of directions of how to use it here. So I will be reading this after when I'm going to actually use it. So that's good. Next product from the brand Kinship, and it says Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen, Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 32. Ooh, okay, so this year Reef Safe Mineral Sunscreen helps support clearer, less blemish prone skin. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's like a mini sample deluxe of a sunscreen. So that's always nice to get sunscreen, especially now in summer's coming up, the beach, the pool, out in the sun. So that's really, really nice to have. And I'm always like looking for new sunscreens to try, so that's good. I like this, especially that it's a sample deluxe size, which you get the idea of how the product works, and if you like it, you can go ahead and purchase the big size, and like that you don't waste a lot of product. So I really like the Ipsy Glam bag for that as well. Product I have right here, it says the Beauty Crop Stuck on You Eye Primer. Ooh, so it's an eye primer. Okay, I regularly don't use eye primer. I mean, I do prime my eyelids before doing my eyeshadow looks, but I use concealer most of the time. Every once in a while it's nice to have an actual eye primer because it's meant for that, you know? So that's cool. So this is the packaging. It's a really nice pot glass. So it has like a thing, like a safety thing to open it. I'm not sure if I should open it. I think I'm gonna open it because I do plan on using this, because I did see the previews of this product and I was like intrigued, like I want to try it. It doesn't smell like anything. It does look like a concealer actually, so I like that. I think it's gonna be a good primer, because I have tried primers which are like oily texture, and then it doesn't help with my shades, my shadows, like they don't do anything. So I like this, that it's more like a concealer. So I'm excited to actually try this and see how it works. It says that this soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go so much further. It locks in color and prevents pigment from creasing, smudging, or fading. Our universal eye primer is buildable and slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigment really pops and is held in place throughout the day. Enriched with pomegranate seed and grape seed oil, our formula keeps it smooth and moisturized. So that's really, really nice to have. Now the last product I have here in the Glam bag, which I believe there's other products because I've only unboxed 3. This is the 4th, so there's probably like a 5th around here. So, oh my gosh, this is from House Laboratories. So this is the brand of Lady Gaga, and this is so cool because last month, or the month before, which I think was March, I did receive a lipstick from this brand as well in my Ipsy Glam bags. So I'm excited to see what the color of this is. It says that it's Glam Attack All Over Metallic Cream. So the shade of this is Gunmetal. So I really, really like the packaging. As you can see, it's a really original and cool design. And then I'm looking at the lipstick shade, and it's like it says, it's kind of metallic and dark. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it, but if I'm not, for sure I'm going to be including it in a giveaway, in a future giveaway. So that's really cool that they include this brand in there. So that's it for the Glam bag. Like I was saying, I'm sure there's another product here. Let me look for it. I think it's this one. So this is from the brand Item, and it's a Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Okay, yeah, it's a moisturizing lip oil. It's a pretty peachy shade, so that's nice. I'm wondering if it's like tinted. I will have to check it out and see if it's tinted. I don't, okay, let me see if I can open it, guys. Okay, yeah, I thought it was like hard to open, but I'm good. Okay, so it does look like it's going to be tinted, but probably like really, really light. And it's like a peachy tone, so it's really nice to have to moisturize your lips. And okay, so I'm gonna start now with probably the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus product. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing I see here is from Ofra. I do love Ofra products. They're amazing. The formula is so good and the packaging is always nice. This is the Blush Rose Ultra Pigmented Pressed Blush. Ooh, so it's a blush. I actually have received from them in my Ipsy bags the highlighter but not blush. I don't think I have tried the blushes, so that's pretty cool to include this here so I could give it a try. And I also have tried their translucent banana powder and it was really good. I use it like all the time now. So it's a really pretty pinkish shade. It's matte and then it comes with a mirror, so that's really cool. I'm excited to try this. This shade is more for like everyday, I think so, like really rosy, but it's the perfect shade, I think, for everyday looks. Okay, so next product is from One Size. This is from, I think, Patrick Star, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think this is his brand. This is the OS One Size. Is the Point Made 24-Hour Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the color black. Okay, so let's open so you guys can see it. Okay, so this is the pencil. It's not like one of those mechanical pencils. It's just like a crayon, but I do like these pencils for my waterline. I use it like all the time and they do look like it's gonna be a creamy product. So I really like that. Okay, next item I have here is from the brand Dr. Brands, and this is an incredible skincare brand. I do like this brand. This is the Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. So this is a mask. That's good. Next product, we have two masks from Tula Skincare, and this is the Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. It polishes and exfoliates for smoother and brighter looking skin. I do like their probiotic and superfoods line. I have tried, I think, the cleanser and moisturizer, and they're incredible for the skin. So I do recommend this brand. It's a really good brand. And the last item, and I'm so excited because it's a huge eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so it's from the brand Illuminati X Isa, designed by Isabella Bedoya. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's a really pretty pink and like the stars. It's in the clouds. It's really pretty packaging. So let's see the inside. Oh my gosh. And these shades are beautiful. These are my kind of shades. Like, I really like shades like this. They call my name. Like, I really like colorful shades. I usually do like a natural look, but every once in a while I do like to go all out and bold and adventure. So it comes with a huge mirror and it has all of these beautiful shades that I'm so excited to try, guys. Okay, so there's like yellow shimmers, they're pressed glitters, they're matte shades. So we have like a variety of things right here to work with. So I'm super excited to create a look, and I will probably create a look with this palette in my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me, make sure to follow me at LisMania Beauty so you guys can see me use some of these products for a look. So I think that's it. That's everything for this month, and I gotta say that is a really good month. First of all, I love the bags. I love the theme. I love the variety of products for hair, skincare, makeup. There's a lot of makeup, and I do love makeup products in subscription boxes. So yes, I think this month is like a win-win. I adore all of these products and I can't wait to try it for you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up. Comment what you got for your Ipsy Glam bags, and if you like this month. And make sure to stay tuned to my channel and subscribe because I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon. I'm sure between this week and next week, a YouTube giveaway is gonna be uploaded. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.